The LG V20 Sector, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Power for Google Fi. So the Moto G Power is a new smartphone for Google Fi. It's the same phone as the Moto G Stylus, except for this one does not have a stylus pen with it. So this is what the phone looks like. It looks very nice. So like I said, it looks like the Moto G Stylus, except for that it does not have a stylus pen for this one here. The Moto G Power is available now for $8.29 a month or $199 if you activate the phone with Google Fi. The full retail price for this phone is $249. So yeah, really nice phone and stuff like that. So yeah, and it's available in this black color. Looks very nice. Your fingerprint sensors right there, power and your brain keys are on the right side of the phone. You do have your triple camera system there. You have your whole point for your front facing camera there in front of the phone there. So that's it. New Moto G Power gives you up to 3-4 days of battery life, so you can do the things you want without worrying about recharging. Shoot the perfect photo from any angle with a versatile triple camera system, and thanks to the 6.4-inch Max Vision Full HD Plus display and dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby, you will have an all access pass to the world of entertainment. Moto G Power for life. Alright, so that's pretty nice. It says right here, get $50 off Moto G Power and Stylus when you buy and activate it on Google Fi. So that's pretty cool. And of course, this is designed for Google Fi, of course. So this phone uses technology that intelligently switches you between 3 cellular network partners, as well as secure Wi-Fi hotspots to give you the best coverage and save on data. So the cell phone coverages are T-Mobile, Sprint, and US Cellular. The Moto G Power has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display, 64 gigabytes of built-in memory, 16 megapixel triple camera system. The frame weighs 199 grams, 5,000 mAh battery, so a big ass battery. The storage again, 64 gigabytes of internal storage. You have a micro SD card size up to 512 gigabytes, 199 grams. There's your dimensions and your 10 on board. Your display is 6.4 inches, Full HD Plus. Max Vision display, that's Full HD Plus. 2300 by 1080 pixels at 399 ppi. You have a 19 by 9 aspect ratio, and you have an active area touch panel. 16 megapixel triple camera system, 118-degree ultra wide angle. The front facing camera is also 16 megapixels with the f2.8 aperture lens, quad pixel technology, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, 4 GB of RAM, 5,000 mAh battery, 10-watt rapid charger, up to 3 days of battery life, but that will also depend on the user as well. So if you guys use this phone heavily, y'all guys can probably get like a day and a half. But if you guys use this phone sparingly, y'all guys will get a lot more battery life out of it. But if you guys use this phone heavy, battery life will be a lot less. But it also depends on the user of the phone, of course. So if you're a heavy user, you will get pretty good battery life. But if you're a light user, you should get great battery life, probably like 2-3 days. So it's pretty cool. But it also depends on the user as well. So do keep it in mind. So it says here, Wi-Fi connection center, Wi-Fi 802.11a BGN and AC. That's 802.a BGN AA. So there's your Wi-Fi connection center, A BGN A and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0. Your sensors for the Moto G Power are accelerometer, gyroscope proximity, ambient light, sensor hub and fingerprint radar on the back of the phone. It does have a Type-C charging port, which is a win. Dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby FM radio. Your experiences are these Motorola features. You have quick capture, fast flashlight, 3-finger screenshot editor, flip for DND, pickup to silent, media controls, swipe to shrink. So there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a phone that has a big battery, the Moto G Power is that phone for you. It has a 5,000 mAh battery. Specs on here are really good. This is a mid-range smartphone. It looks like the Moto G stylus, except for this one does not have a stylus pen. So it's available now for $829 a month, or $199 if you. It's available for $829 a month, or $199 if you activate the phone with Google Fi. The full retail price for this phone is $249. So not a bad looking phone, looks very nice. So there you guys have it, Moto G Power, now available at Google Fi. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys have less mail a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.